In today's video, I show you how to delete a workflow in N8n in just a couple of minutes. The process is simple once you know where everything is. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official N8n website. Once the home page loads, click the Sign In button at the top and log into your account. After you land on your dashboard, look for the Personal section. This is where all your workflows are stored. Find the workflow you want to delete. Then click the three-dot menu next to it. Before you can remove it permanently, you need to archive it. Select the archive option and the workflow will move out of your active list. Next, turn on the filter option at the top right so you can view archived workflows. Make sure the filter is set to show both active and archived items. Once the archived workflow appears, open the three-dot menu again and choose Delete. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to remove it. Since this action can't be undone, double check you've selected the right one. Then confirm. And you're done. Your workflow is now deleted and your N8n workspace is a little cleaner and easier to manage. Stay tuned for more quick N8n guides.